Do you have a BMW E46 and have rough idle? This might be your problem. The BMW M54 engine has a valve that's on the intake manifold that controls the airflow going into the engine. This valve has a flap that opens or closes to shorten or lengthen the path it takes the air to go through the intake manifold. It's usually closed at lower RPMs for better fuel economy, or it will be open at higher RPMs to increase power and torque. This valve may go bad electronically, or the flap will break, like this. This valve is super easy to change. It's just 2 bolts. Then you can slide it right out, slide the new one in, and just apply the 2 bolts. It's called the DISA valve.